What is going on, everyone? I'm back. So I thought I'd do a vlog today because I'm filling up 2 of my new vending machines. Just a bit of an update. I've just been to Thailand for my birthday, and then I got back and I bought 4 new vending machines on location. It's 3 locations but with 4 vending machines, so one site has 2 machines, the other 2 sites have 2 machines. Other 2 sites have 1 machine each. So yeah, so I did the 2 single machines yesterday and the day before, and today I'm doing the site that has 2 machines on location. I'm also doing my other 2, no, another 2 that I already had today. Yeah, so this week's been extremely busy. It's my first week back properly from being back from holiday. Yeah, and I also had another 2 sites that were broke. So yeah, it's been crazy, so that's why I've not been on YouTube. But I hope everyone's well. I've seen a lot of messages that people have missed videos, but I'm going to try and upload regularly. I've also had to have meetings with my accountant and that, so yeah, it's been a bit crazy, but it's also been really exciting. And as much as it's been overwhelming, I'm not going to complain because it's exciting. So yeah, it's also like -1 degrees and I'm freezing, so scarf, 2 hoodies and my coat. So yeah, I'm just filling up the snack box for the snack machine. I've also got the cans ready for the can machine for the new location, but I need some more cans, so I need to go to the wholesalers. And then I also need to get the other boxes ready for the older locations. So yeah, I need to get the crisp. Oh, can't reach. Okay, so right now the new locations don't have card readers on them because it's nearly Christmas. I'm not that rich at the minute. Yeah, just wanted to be real with you on that one. But after Christmas I'm putting card readers on because I don't want to leave them that long without card readers, so they get used to paying cash, and then people don't use the machine as often because they're used to it not having a card reader. So I need to find 600, no, not 600, I wish it, no wait, £1,600 from somewhere. But yeah, I've also got this vending machine here that needs to go on site, so I need to skirt around to some places and see if anyone wants a machine. The unit right now is an absolute mess because you take on 4 vending machines in the space of a week, and it looks like an absolute volcano has erupted with snacks. One sec. So this is what we're working with. I have no room to walk. Yeah, it's a nightmare. But I was talking to Megan the other day and I was like, I don't know if I've taken on too much at once, but we also grow in that space that's surrounding us. So we either thrive or shrink. That's the, I don't think that's the same, but yeah. Right, I need to pay attention to how many stuff I put in here. So 2, 4, so that's 1 row. This is the second row. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I need the orange Doritos, huh? That is not the way how you grip a box, Meg. That's not how you grip a box, Meg. Oh shit. I'll put you down here because I feel like that's a better angle. Rice Krispies. I need to make sure I don't eat these. I'll throw them. I need more shells in here. Let's move this. There you go. That looks a bit better. I got a bit of dance space. Right. Don't need them. Salt and vinegar. I feel like I did that. No, I didn't. Use them. Okay. Keys. Key's not sharp enough. How's everyone doing, by the way? Hope you're all well. Oof. I hope you're all well. Hope you're all excited for Christmas. I'm really not Christmassy this year. Always check your dates. 23rd of December. So I still have time. I just need to make a mental note. Just got to the second location. Okay, we are in. I'm just going to pop you down somewhere. There we go. The lights broke. Don't ask, I'll explain later. Just gonna pop you guys up here. done. Second machine done in about 4 minutes. Getting a lot faster. Right guys, so as I was saying, the light is broke in that machine. So, I know how to change the light and I know how to change the starter. It's just the panel that's covering it is attached with screws, and the screws are bolted. I've got 3 of the screws out. The other 3 are bolted, which means I can't use a screwdriver to get them out. And I tried to use a drill, and the drill wasn't really working properly. So I've been 3 times to try and get them out, and it's just not really doing anything. And I even had the maintenance guy that works at the nursing home to help me, and the chef, and the chef was a big guy, and even he couldn't help me. So, and I'm only tiny and I couldn't get these screws out, so I don't really know what to do. I spoke to my mentor slash supplier, and he said get these drill attachments. So I got these drill attachments, and that was when the drill wasn't working. So it's not really affecting sales, the light not being on. I actually did a really good month this month, so I don't know whether to just get a new drill, because the drill that I used was Megan's drill, and I don't know if I should just buy my own drill or just, because my other initial thought process was to rip the panel out and buy a new panel, but then my mentor slash supplier said that the panel itself costs like £125, so I don't really want to do that. Yeah, so that's why the light's not working. And I've had a little bit of issues with that machine in the past month anyway, where the door got jammed and the coil wasn't working, and even when I tried to reset the coil, it wasn't working, so I had to get an engineer out, and yeah, and it's just been a bit of a pain. So the light not working is kind of the least of my worries right now. So yeah, that's why the light's not on. You good?
No, I need to make myself cute.
I need to make myself cute. We should probably pause FIFA, or at least turn it off so we don't get copyrighted. Speak really loudly so we don't get copyrighted. Ah! There we go.
Hello.
Right, so... Oh, my washing's behind us. My pyjamas say, I love you.
Sheep.
You know, because it's sheep. It says, I love you. Anyway, can you hold this? Because my arm's all aching.
Already. Get that centre part in.
Yeah, my hair's so fair, it looks like I'm bald. Jeez. Right, so I didn't film, well, I did film, but I didn't film much at the last location because I forgot. But yeah, you saw the 2 new vending machines. I didn't film the other 2 because they were filled up on yesterday and the day before. So I hope you like this video. I don't really know what else to say because I only filled them up. I didn't empty any cash. We have done... Wait, what month are we? In November, we did the best month that we have done so far. We're not including the new machines. That's right, innit?
Yeah.
I said that correctly, didn't I?
I think so.
Yeah. So, not including the new machines, we have done the best month we have done so far. So, that's positive. So, I'm excited to see how much we do with the new machines. And then when we get the card readers, I'm even more excited to see how much we do.
That'd be sick.
And then next on the list is getting that vending machine that's in the unit place. So, yeah. Meg's here, by the way.
Hello, if you didn't know.
Meg looked after Kovu whilst I was in Thailand, and she was looking after the other business. Speak of the devil.
He's going to crawl over.
There we go. I heard his name. Oh, look at him. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video. I'm going to try and post more regularly. I always struggle to say that word.
Just regular.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I'm going to try and post more regularly. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. But yeah, cue the outro. Peace.
10 toes down, I'm a ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Hit that